The main view in the Accounts module shows us a list of organizations or groups of contacts under the same address within our database. This view can be organized alphabetically by clicking on the different column headers. Here we can use the search bar, add a new account, copy, or delete the selected data. To see more detailed information, let's click on the company name. Under Account Summary, we have an Account tab with the basic information, as well as a Profiling tab for custom fields used to compile account-based profiling data. Information can be modified by clicking on the Edit button. The account can be removed from the database by clicking on the Delete button. The Contacts window shows us all individuals associated with this account. We also have a view on tasks, opportunities, documents, and activity associated with all contacts within the account. And that's your short overview on the Accounts module. More detailed videos are available on the CentrixOne Academy, or contact your account manager for help with further training and demos.